have someone?
No. I got no time for Peter Parker stuff. You know?
I lost Gwen. She was my MJ. I couldn't save her. I'm never gonna be able to do that.